Hi everybody, I am the Queen of Wellness, Jennifer Nicole Lee, and I love at-home beauty treatments. Today, join me for an at-home facial. I just actually got out of my online class where I taught, so I'm going to take you along with my kind of like a 5-minute facial. Use what you have. Let's do it together. There's stages to a facial. First, you want to cleanse. Then you want to exfoliate. You should exfoliate only 2 times a week, just to keep your skin sloughing off the dead skin cells, keeping that vibrant glow. I'm going to show you how I exfoliate today. But again, when you do this in the future, you don't need to exfoliate every facial. Then you want to make sure that you are toning, and toner is very important. You can choose one that you have there in your bathroom, and then you want to moisturize. So let's get started. First, we want to cleanse, taking off all the makeup. Again, use what you have. I like this Deluge Integral Dual Cleanser. It's got peptides, aloe vera, very, very, very natural, easy on the skin. I like to warm it up on my hand. And you're gonna see that it starts to take off all of the makeup. I like to do it without water, but you can use it with water, and I like to use a paper towel because it takes off the makeup. So then you're cleansing. Once I remove the makeup, I go back in and I do a deeper cleanse with water. Okay, your choice. So I'm going to turn on the water here. And we're going to do a double cleanse. I like to make sure my skin is very cleansed. Take your fingers and give yourself a little bit of a massage. Little circles will help in the circulation. Always going up, never down, up. Also with your forehead, going up. All right, let's give it a rinse. Oh, self-care is the new health-care, right? So now we want to exfoliate. There's 2 types to exfoliate. You can get your favorite exfoliator. I have another little bit of a mud mask, if you will, from Deluge. This is actually their coffee scrub. Got little grains of coffee in there. Again, going up. This exfoliates all the dead skin cells. I can already see your skin glowing. Be gentle on yourself. Love yourself. Stroking up. I like to go inside and away. This depuffs the eyes, adds circulation, lifts, tones. I like to flick. The flicking helps, the tapping helps to get the skin activated, boosting the collagen, releasing the toxins. All right, you can also use your sonic brush. This also helps exfoliate. Your choice. Again, exfoliate 2 times a week. Again, stroking up and away. Ooh, feels so good. Take some deep cleansing breaths. You remember, as you breathe, you're getting fresh oxygen to every cell of your body and the little corners of your nose. I like to work this area here. And then you can drain the lymph here and on this side. You can feel that vibrating, feels so good. And this will automatically stop when it's done. So keep using it until it stops, and then we're gonna rinse. Then we're gonna tone. Choose your favorite toner. Toning is very important. Let's rinse. You're gonna feel your skin so soft, soft as a baby's butt. Oh. I can already see you guys glowing. Now, gently pat your face. I see some women just drawing their skin so rough. Pat, pat. And that is from the mask, from the exfoliator. Oh, oh. Now this is a quick facial. If you wanted to do a mask is where you actually apply something topical, or you can do a sheet mask and you would actually let that sit for about 10, 15, 20 minutes. But this is like a facial on the fly. I love to tone with this. The Red Lane, I actually got this in Jamaica. It's got fever grass, which is their term for lemongrass. But again, you can use any toner you like. Toning just sets the pH balance of the skin, tightens up the pores. All right, let's moisturize. Moisturize is so important. We're gonna go to Deluge again. The vitamin C repairing oil. Oh, just make sure you have a droplet full. You can see that. Rub it in your hands. Press into the skin. Oh, now you can do a little bit of a gua sha, which I have so handy here. I have my 2 jade stones. They're actually been soaking in some ice water. Oh, I wish you could feel how cool and refreshing this is. You want to pull it here, stroking up. Now you want to drain. So you took all the lymph and the puffiness and the toxins up and then down. There's 2 big channels of energy that go down. I like to gently. A lot of women have a double chin. It's not fat, it's just built up lymph that you have to manually remove. You're gonna stroke up. Woo. All right, let's do our beautiful forehead, get some rosy glow. I'm gonna show you before. You're gonna see, you see the red? Look at the circulation already. Oh! I like to also do it here. You can put some oil here. Oh, it helps with the abs. It's another little secret. Woo. Oh. Look, go along your track. So start on your right, go up and around, and then do a double here to push and help elimination. Another little secret. It's like a facial for your abs. All right, I could be here doing this all day. So I also want to share with you my Jade Rollers. I have them soaking in some ice. Look, you can actually see the circulation start really kicking in. I like to go over the eyes. Now I have a big bowl of ice water here. Why? Because ice helps. I have 2 metal bowls in my refrigerator, and I, over the night, get them frozen, and then in the morning, every morning, I get my ice balls and I just tighten up the skin. This is like Mother Nature's facelift. Helps with the inflammation. Look at my face now. Look at the red, rosy glow. So think about a facial as a workout for your skin. Think about it as a workout. Ooh, that's good. Calming down any puffiness. Think about it as taking your face to an aerobics class. Look at my face. Look how red. Getting flushed. Woo! Yeah, boy. All right, gets better. Having fun with this. All right, so as you can see, you can spend as much time as you want. Now we're gonna pat, pat, pat dry. Ladies, your under eye area is the most delicate part of your face with your lips. So we're gonna give our under eye a little extra TLC. You can use any under eye cream that you like. Look at this glow. The vitamin C eye gel from Deluge. You want to put it right here. Put it on your ring fingers. Tap, tap, tap. Again, I am not a licensed esthetician. I am not a facialist. I just know it works for me, and I've had many facials by many wonderful estheticians, and I just want to share with you what works for me. Looking up, look, from the in, out, and then just tap, tap, tap. Ah, put some on your lips. Now, I'm gonna go back in with the Deluge oil, and I'm gonna just hit the neck really good because there's two places besides the face that you can see a woman's age. It's her hands and her neck. So don't forget to take care of your neck. Last but not least, take your knuckles and you want to just go towards the camera, towards the mirror. Now reverse away. I love this. Again, towards and then away. There's a lot of different things you can buy on the market. I found that your hands, that's why I keep my nails short. That's why you can use your hands. Beautiful. Oh, I feel fabulous. Thank you for sharing this time with me. I want to see your facials. Feel free to share them in our private Facebook group at jnlvip.com. And remember, you're beautiful. Your skin color, your age, your size, your shape, no matter where you are, you're beautiful. Celebrate your unique beauty. Celebrate every wrinkle, every discolored spot. Celebrate everything about yourself. Just accentuate the positive. Keep smiling because your smile is what really makes you beautiful, and that light in your eyes. Thank you for sharing this moment with me, and I hope you enjoy this. Please like and share, and until next time, smile and be well. Bye, guys.